to your first TACC tutorial. Today we'll be going over how to SSH to TACC resources via the command line. Please note you'll only be able to do this once you have an approved TACC account and have been added to an active allocation. Today we'll be using the command secure shell. I'll start by typing in SSH, my username, which is mcollins, at Stampede3, which is the resource we are trying to reach today, .tacc.utexas.edu. I'll press enter and be prompted for my TACC username password, along with the multi-factor authentication code. Myself, I use the app Duo to store my TACC token. And please note that no asterisks or other symbols will appear while you're typing this in, so you need to be confident in what you're typing. Once logged in, I'm presented with several data points. In the center, I can see the active allocations that I am currently a part of, along with messages of the day, which will provide updates on the system. And I can also see my quotas and usage for the 3 file systems that we have at TACC of Scratch, Home 1, and Work. If you are still experiencing issues SSHing into one of the TACC systems, you have multiple options for troubleshooting. The first option that I would recommend is navigating to this page at accounts.tac.utexas.edu/login support. From there, you will type in your email address associated with your TACC account and optionally your TACC username, and click submit. From there, you will be directed to a page that may or may not indicate why you cannot SSH. If you see what I have here, that your account is active, we recommend starting by resetting your MFA by unpairing and repairing your device. If that does not resolve the issue, you can open a ticket with TACC User Services by typing in your TACC username along with your TACC password. And in addition, please provide additional info. In this case, we cannot connect to the Stampede 3 system via SSH, and clicking submit will open a ticket with the team. If you find that the account wizard was unable to assist you with your issue, you can navigate to the TACC user portal, and then in the center you'll see new ticket. You will be presented with a set of drop-down menus. Start by selecting the category of issue that you are having, in this case, login issues. Select the resource you are trying to reach, as well as a brief subject for the title of your ticket. And then in the description below, please list the issue you are having. In this case, I cannot log in via SSH. Once you submit your ticket, it will be sent to the TACC User Services team, and someone will reach out to you promptly with a resolution.